Hello everyone, welcome back again to the channel. In this next video, I'm going to be showing you how you can deactivate push notifications on your TikTok app. So to get started, we launch the TikTok app on our device. So just go ahead and click on the profile icon. Alright, so from here, click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner of the screen, and then click on settings and privacy. Right under content and display, you'd see notifications as the first option. Let's click on that. Alright, so on the notifications tab, you can begin to select your preferences. Now, for example, the first one is the in-app notifications. And now you can go through all of these and see which of these notifications you'd want to disable, depending on the experience you'd want to get on TikTok while you are using the app. Alright, the next option says push notification schedule. Now this actually allows you to set a schedule to turn off push notifications. For example, if you want to disable push notification on TikTok for a certain period of time, let's say from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m., you can actually do that using this schedule feature. All right, so the next one is the interaction section, and from here you can determine if you want to get notifications or likes or comments for new followers or mentions and tags, profile views, reposts, and all of that. So you can just go through the options and carefully select your preferences. So from here, you can actually set everything that has to do with push notifications on your TikTok. There you have it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.